4th August 2020. Welcome to another episode of Audio News, a new initiative taken by We4U to provide news in audio format for visually impaired. So let's begin. Indian Market Regulator, Securities and Exchange Board of India SEBI is planning to set up a virtual museum of the securities market to highlight achievements and milestones in the Indian capital market. SEBI has invited expression of interest EOI from agencies to develop the virtual museum. Next. Andhra Pradesh government has launched an innovative virtual cybercrime awareness program named as E-Rakshabandhan. The program aims to create awareness among the public on cyber crimes across the state. The month-long online awareness program would be organized by the Crime Investigation Department CID, FM Radio, Cyber Crime Prevention Against Women and Children CCPWC, Cyber Peace Foundation and other organizations. Next. Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has released a book titled Siyasat Mein Sadasyata, authored by Bihar Assembly Speaker Vijay Kumar Chaudhary. The book is a compilation of the author's views, 3 dozen articles on different important issues and his life journey. The book was published by Bihar Assembly Secretariat. Next. Madhya Pradesh Urban Development and Housing Minister Bhupendra Singh has launched a public awareness campaign Ek Mask Anek Zindagi from August 1 to 15. The scheme will spread awareness about wearing masks as prevention from COVID-19 infection. Next. The World Breastfeeding Week is marked every year in the first week of August between 1 to 7 August to raise awareness on the importance of breastfeeding for mothers and infants. The theme of World Breastfeeding Week 2020 is Support Breastfeeding for a Healthier Planet. The annual week is organized by WABA, WHO and UNICEF since 1991. Next. A healthy startup at IIT Madras in joint collaboration with Helixon has developed a device called Oxy2. This newly designed device can easily take vitals of an individual such as heart rate, temperature, oxygen saturation, and respiration rate clinically accurate. The device is made commercially available now and has already been deployed to monitor 2,000 patients a day in hospitals. Next. Upon Delhi High Court interventions, the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change MOEF and CC has finally extended the timeline for the public to review 80-page long draft on Environment Impact Assessment EIA Notification 2020. The recently released draft is created with the intention of replacing the existing EIA Notification 2006. This is for the second time country will witness the change in the policy under the Environment Protection Act 1986. Next. Amid growing interest in recognizing the contributions of people from the BAME community, that is Black, Asian and minority ethnic, Britain is considering minting a coin to remember Mahatma Gandhi. Next. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister K. Palaniswamy is not seen in agreement with the recently launched Centre's 3-language policy proposed by the Union Government in the National Education Policy 2020. In a press release recently, the chief minister was found stating that the state will never allow the center's three-language policy, rather the state will continue with its dual language policy of Tamil and English. Next. India's top drug regulatory body, DCGI, the Drugs Controller General of India, finally gave green signal to Serum Institute of India (SII) for conducting phase 2 and 3 clinical trials of AstraZeneca vaccine developed by the Oxford University against coronavirus disease. The approval came after scrutiny was done based on the recommendations of the group of a medical expert on COVID-19. Now it's time for some facts. Let's learn something about the eyes. One of the fastest muscles in the human body is the eye, hence the expression in the blink of an eye. Animals such as the salamander can regrow eyes along with entire limbs and organs. We actually see the world upside down, just like how a pinhole camera produces an inverted image. Our brain is wired to process and invert the image. An eye exam or a sight test can detect diseases such as blood pressure and diabetes. Color blindness is more prevalent in males. All babies are born colorblind. Color vision starts 2 weeks after birth, and infants are able to fully perceive color by 6 months. The colossal squid has the largest eye in the animal kingdom, averaging over 27 inches in diameter. Entire eye transplants are currently impossible with present medical knowledge and practices. Only the cornea can be transplanted successfully. Cornea, the transparent layer at the front of the eye, is the only tissue in the body that does not have blood vessels. Having blood vessels may cloud and block vision. So with this, we will conclude our episode for today. Thank you all.